So this right here is the upper order durable insulated lunch bag right here. This has a reusable cooler bag with it. Very cool. So let's go ahead and open this up here. It does include a shoulder strap with it too, so we can go ahead and hook this up. But the inside is designed to keep your food nice and cool. Go ahead and put your ice pack in there, or if you have hot food, you can also put hot food directly in here. It'll keep it hot with it too. But it does include a little area up here, this little mesh area with elastic band to go ahead and put, like, you know, your forks, spoons, condiments, anything else that you want to put up there too as well. So this is let's see here, this is about 2 maybe 3 inches in height right here all together with it. A really nice bag overall. There's another pocket right here in the front that has Velcro right there, so you can kind of see the Velcro bag with it. So very nice, great lunch bag with it. It has a nice shoulder strap that is also included that you can go ahead and hook on top of here. Then it also has a handle as well with the lunch bag. So there it is. This right here is by Upper Order, and I hope you enjoy it as well.